Welcome to our video on revolutionizing healthcare with AI. The integration of artificial intelligence into healthcare is taking the medical landscape to a new level, promising unprecedented advancements in diagnostics, treatment, and patient care. Through advanced algorithms, AI can analyze vast amounts of patient data, including medical records, test results, and imaging scans. This allows doctors to detect diseases at an early stage and customize treatment plans. AI, a branch of computer science that enables machines to mimic human intelligence, is reshaping healthcare by providing tools and solutions that enhance efficiency, accuracy, and overall outcomes. In this video, we will delve into the multifaceted applications of AI in healthcare, exploring its potential to transform the way we prevent, diagnose, and treat medical conditions. Number 1. Early disease detection. AI is proving instrumental in the early detection of diseases, offering the capability to analyze vast amounts of medical data quickly and accurately. Machine learning algorithms can identify subtle patterns and anomalies in medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, aiding in the early diagnosis of conditions like cancer and neurodegenerative diseases. This not only facilitates timely intervention, but also improves the chances of successful treatment outcomes. Number 2, personalized medicine. The advent of AI has paved the way for personalized medicine, tailoring treatment plans based on an individual's unique genetic makeup, lifestyle, and medical history. By analyzing massive data sets, AI algorithms can predict how a patient will respond to specific medications, enabling healthcare providers to prescribe more effective and targeted interventions. This approach not only enhances treatment efficacy, but also minimizes adverse effects. Number 3, virtual health assistants. AI-driven virtual health assistants and chatbots are transforming patient engagement and healthcare accessibility. These intelligent systems can provide real-time information, answer queries, and even offer preliminary medical advice. Virtual assistants enhance patient communication, streamline appointment scheduling, and contribute to a more patient-centric healthcare experience, particularly in times when immediate access to healthcare professionals may be limited. Number 4. Predictive analytics for public health. AI's predictive analytics capabilities are increasingly being harnessed for public health initiatives. By analyzing diverse data sets, including social media trends, environmental factors, and historical health data, AI can predict disease outbreaks, identify potential hotspots, and assist in the allocation of resources. This proactive approach aids in preventing the spread of diseases and allows for more efficient public health planning. Number 5. Robotics and surgery. AI-driven robotics are enhancing precision and efficiency in surgical procedures. Surgical robots, guided by AI algorithms, assist surgeons in performing complex operations with unparalleled accuracy. These robots can minimize invasiveness, reduce recovery times, and improve overall surgical outcomes. The synergy between human expertise and AI precision marks a significant advancement in the field of surgery. Number 6. Data security and privacy. As AI becomes more integrated into healthcare, the need for robust data security and privacy measures becomes paramount. Ensuring the confidentiality and integrity of patient data is crucial to maintaining trust in AI-driven healthcare solutions. Innovations in encryption, blockchain, and secure data sharing protocols are essential components of a reliable and ethical AI healthcare ecosystem. Number 7. Streamlining administrative processes. AI is streamlining administrative tasks within healthcare institutions, optimizing workflows and reducing operational burdens. From appointment scheduling and billing to medical coding and record keeping, AI-driven systems automate routine tasks, allowing healthcare professionals to focus more on patient care. This efficiency contributes to cost savings and improved overall healthcare delivery. Number 8. Mental health monitoring. AI is making significant strides in the field of mental health by enabling continuous monitoring and personalized interventions. Wearable devices and smartphone apps, powered by AI algorithms, can analyze behavioral patterns, detect early signs of mental health issues, and provide timely interventions or alerts. This proactive approach holds great promise for improving mental health outcomes and reducing the stigma associated with mental health conditions. The integration of AI into healthcare represents a transformative leap toward a more efficient, personalized, and accessible healthcare system. From early disease detection and personalized medicine to virtual health assistance and robotics in surgery, AI is reshaping the landscape of healthcare in unprecedented ways. As the technology continues to evolve, striking a balance between innovation, ethical considerations, and data security will be pivotal in unlocking the full potential of AI for the benefit of patients and healthcare providers alike. The ongoing collaboration between technology experts, healthcare professionals, and policymakers is crucial to navigating the evolving intersection of artificial intelligence and healthcare, ensuring a future where cutting-edge technology enhances the quality and inclusivity of healthcare services. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.